PowerPoint Skills 2026 Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation Design. All you need to know. Question 1. What is the Slide Master in Microsoft PowerPoint? A place to play videos. A feature that controls the layout, fonts, and theme for all slides in the presentation simultaneously. The Notes section for the speaker. A list of slide transitions. The Slide Master allows you to make global changes, like adding a company logo or changing a font, that instantly update every slide in the presentation. Question 2. True or false, you can embed a video file directly into a PowerPoint slide so it plays without needing an internet connection. True. False. True. PowerPoint allows you to insert video files, like .mp4, directly into the file, ensuring they play even if you are offline. Question 3. Which view allows you to see all your slides as small thumbnails, making it easy to rearrange their order? Slide Master View, Slide Sorter View, Notes Page View, Presenter View. Slide Sorter View provides a bird's-eye view of your entire deck, allowing you to drag and drop thumbnails to change the sequence of the presentation. Question 4. What does the Morph transition do? It turns the slide into a video. It creates smooth animations by automatically moving objects from their position on one slide to their new position on the next slide. It changes the font color. It deletes all images. Morph is a powerful transition that analyzes object shapes and locations between two slides and creates fluid, automatic motion between them. Question 5. True or false, pressing F5 on your keyboard will immediately start your PowerPoint presentation from the beginning. True. False. True. F5 is the standard shortcut to launch the slideshow from the first slide. Question 6. What is the presenter view and why is it useful? It shows the speaker their notes and the next slide while the audience only sees the current slide. It shows the audience the speaker's personal files. It is a mode for editing images. It is only for printing slides. Presenter view allows the speaker to see their notes, upcoming slides, and timers on their laptop screen while the audience sees a clean, full-screen presentation. Question 7. How do you ensure a company logo appears in the same spot on every single slide? Copy and paste it on every slide manually. Insert it onto the Slide Master. Drag it around until it looks right. It is impossible to do. Adding the logo to the Slide Master is the most efficient and accurate way to ensure it appears in the exact same position on every slide. Question 8. True or false, you can export your PowerPoint presentation as a video file, MP4 or WMV. True. False. True. PowerPoint includes a Save as Video feature that converts your slides and animations into a standard video file. Question 9. What is an action button in PowerPoint? A button that buys new software. A shape that can be set to perform an action, like jumping to a specific slide or opening a website, when clicked during a presentation. A button that changes the color of the slide background. A button that saves the file automatically. Action buttons add interactivity, allowing you to create a non-linear presentation where clicking a button triggers a link to another slide or URL. Question 10. Which ribbon tab in PowerPoint contains the tools for adding animations and transitions? Home, Insert, Animations/Transitions, View. The Animations and Transitions tabs are dedicated specifically to controlling object movements and slide-to-slide effects. Question 11. True or false, PowerPoint is limited to a maximum of 50 slides per presentation. True. False. False. PowerPoint does not have a strict slide limit. Presentations can be as long as necessary, though long decks are often split into smaller files for performance. Question 12. What is the eyedropper tool used for? To zoom into a slide. To pick up a specific color from an image or shape and apply it to another element. To crop a photo. To change the slide size. The eyedropper tool allows you to match colors perfectly, which is essential for consistent branding within a presentation. Question 13. What is a smart art graphic? A list of misspelled words. A tool to create diagrams, processes, hierarchies, and cycles using pre-formatted shapes and text layouts. A style of handwriting. A type of transition. Smart art is an efficient way to turn plain text lists into professional-looking diagrams like flowcharts, org charts, or cycle diagrams. Question 14. True or false? You can set a PowerPoint presentation to run automatically in a loop without the presenter having to click any buttons. True. False. True. By using slideshow settings and rehearse timings, you can create a kiosk-style presentation that loops continuously. Question 15. What is the function of the group command in PowerPoint? To delete objects. To combine multiple shapes or objects into a single unit so they can be moved and resized together. To organize slides into sections. To change the font size. Grouping keeps objects together, so if you have a complex diagram, you can move or scale the entire thing at once rather than individual pieces. Question 16. Which file format should you save as if you want your PowerPoint to be saved as a simple picture file? PPTX, JPG or PNG, PDF, Docs. Saving as JPG or PNG allows you to save the slide as a high-quality static image, perfect for use on websites or in social media. Question 17. True or false? PowerPoint allows you to record your voice or camera footage directly into the slides. True. False. True. The Record tab allows you to narrate your slides and record your video, which can be saved as a video or kept as a narrated slideshow. Question 18. What happens if you apply a hyperlink to an object? The object changes color. The object becomes clickable during the slideshow and will open a web page, file, or jump to a specific slide. The object is deleted. The file is shared with the public. Hyperlinks are the primary way to create interactivity, allowing presenters to jump to external resources or other parts of the presentation instantly. Question 19. What is the Design Ideas Designer feature? A tool to correct your grammar. An AI-powered tool that suggests professional slide layouts based on the content you've added. A tool to find images online. A menu to change the theme colors. Designer automatically analyzes the text and images you've placed on a slide and suggests multiple, professionally designed layouts. Question 20. True or false? You can compress all the pictures in your presentation at once to reduce the file size. True. False. True. The Compress Pictures feature allows you to downsample high-resolution images, significantly reducing the file size of the overall presentation.